GenAI validation. This video presents an innovative approach to automatically generated tables. In essence, the approach relies on an ADAM dataset and a table created by a production programmer. Metadata is extracted from a table's title, footnote, column heading, and row heading. By using this metadata, it generates completely independent SQL code that calculates the values required to produce the final table. The system compares the values of the table it created with those of the source table to determine whether there are any discrepancies. As you can see, the system can identify different entities, match them to the appropriate database variables, and select the appropriate values to produce an accurate calculation. It can be seen from this example that the model recognizes that this table displays information about TEAE and only includes events that are non-serious, and the population displayed is the safety analysis set, and each column generates a different treatment. Additionally, the system knows exactly which variables are relevant to the calculation and which values in the database to choose. For instance, if the system has identified a TEAE entity, it will select the flag variable for the TEAE TRTEMFL and only select values that have been marked as yes. This information is displayed in the system, making it possible to see exactly what metadata was used to verify the accuracy of the numbers displayed, and also to track down any errors. Rather than going through the entire code, everything is presented in a very tangible, clear, and documented manner. A further aspect of the system's traceability is the ability to see the SQL code generated by the system. The data in the code can be viewed or downloaded for further testing. The code is presented concisely and clearly. To resolve traceability from all angles, every action in the system is documented in an activity log, which includes information such as who performed the action and when, so that at any given moment, it is possible to review the entire history and decision-making process as part of the study lifecycle. As soon as the system calculates all the table values, it compares them with those in the source table. It highlights any discrepancies, so the validation programmer may locate potential errors and their sources quickly and easily. This allows for a high-quality and quick identification of possible reasons for the differences, as well as a quick remedy. The metadata used to calculate the values allows you to see exactly which values are different according to the metadata used to calculate them. Finally, the system takes into account edge cases and cases specific to a given study, allowing the validator to modify the system's selection of variables if necessary. In just a few clicks, a validator can adjust the various variables and request that the table be quickly recalculated.